Hey, I'm Lisa and I am with Ready Seal and I'm in my own backyard today, and I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to bring life back to a gray old fence. So we've been in this house 10 years and we've never done anything to this fence. The house is actually almost 20 years old, and so the fence might be that old as well. So the first step in the process is just to get it cleaned off. So here's what we need today. We need water, dish detergent, bleach, a sprayer, and of course you want to use some gloves to protect your hands. We're going to mix this together to form a good cleaning solution, so let me show you how we do that. Okay, so our cleaning solution is made up of 25% bleach, 75% water, with a drop of the dishwashing detergent to help it stick to the wood. Let's go ahead and mix that up now. Okay, so we're ready to get started now. Make sure you have some gloves on to protect your hands, and if you have grass or bushes or any other kind of vegetation around, you may want to protect those as well from overspray of the bleach. So let's get started. Sometimes with older wood, there's a higher bleach ratio that is required. So if you notice that the color is not changing on your wood and it's not cleaning like it should be, then go ahead and up that ratio, and that should take care of it. So once you're finished bleaching, let it sit for about 20 minutes and then grab a hose and rinse it off. Okay, so once we've finished bleaching and cleaning the fence, we gotta let it dry out for at least a few days, and then we can come back with the stain. Okay, so it's been more than a few days now because life, and now that we're here, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to apply Ready Seal once the fence is clean and dry. So it's almost 100 degrees today in Texas, and unlike our competitors, you can apply Ready Seal in any temperature and in direct sunlight. So you can also apply Ready Seal with a paintbrush or a roller, also with a sprayer, and that's what I'm going to start with now. If you get the stain on one of the metal support poles, all you have to do is get a rag and wipe it off. No problem. You don't have to worry about the stain job being perfect. Ready Seal will self-level as it runs down the boards, but you can use a paintbrush or a roller to get in the corners and cracks. So once you have Ready Seal on the fence, you're basically done. As long as the wood was clean and dry to begin with, you don't have to worry if it's going to rain the next day. It's not going to wash away. If you have any more questions, check out our website at ReadySeal.com.